Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a little bit of a fun morning today. I thought I would start the vlog with, and I'm going to Fitzroy. I'm going to a cafe to do a little bit of editing on my laptop, and I've just got a few little errands to run today, but I thought I would take you along with me. It's a beautiful sunny day here in Melbourne, about 30 degrees, so perfect to run around town and be outside. I just did my makeup with all my new favorite products. I've been loving them so far. I might do a little recap of that sometime soon. For my outfit, I've got my black kukai top, which keeps me really cool, and I've also got my black linen pants. I'll bring my bag as well as my laptop bag, and also might even bring my swimwear just in case I might maybe go to the pools a little bit later in the afternoon. We'll see how it goes. I'll just bring that in case I'm in the mood. But yeah, I thought I would take you along with me today and see what we get up to. So let's go. Good morning. It is a new day and I am going to the shopping centre once again. I'm doing a little bit of gift shopping and just a little bit of browsing. I also want to take my little jewellery from Tiffany & Co to get cleaned, so I'll probably do that as well today. I've got a few pieces that I just want a little bit polished, and also a bracelet that's been tarnished quite a bit from natural pools in Hungary, and I just want to see if they're gonna be able to kind of take that out, but we'll see how that goes. I also just quickly ran to the post office. I had a package that came through. I bought a new backpack for work because when I bought my backpack, I love it. It's from the Horse. It's so amazing. It's honestly one of my favorite bags for work that I've ever had, but unfortunately around the same time, which I didn't think about, but my laptop was, I think it was 11-inch, and I got upgraded to a 15-inch laptop as part of work, so it didn't fit into the bag anymore, unfortunately. So I've sold that bag and I bought a new one from a website that's actually for baby bags and kind of like a travel bag. Easy access, really good to kind of put on your suitcase, and also kind of designed for baby essentials, but it's a really good size and I like how minimal it looks, so I thought it would be really good for my laptop. So I'm going to open that one today as well and just see kind of how that looks. I've just finished getting ready, just doing a few final touches. I'm going to do my favourite lip at the moment, which is the Makeup Forever lip liner in the colour Anywhere Caffeine, and then I've also got the Tower 28 lip gloss in the colour Oat. And I've been loving this combo. It's really fresh and I just love how it looks on my lips. It looks very natural but just kind of makes them feel put together at the same time. So I'm loving this one. I'm just going to put it on now. This is kind of how it looks like. It's very natural and really glossy, which I really love. So just before I head off, I've just opened the package for the backpack, and this is a little dust bag that it comes with, and the backpack itself. So this is what the backpack looks like. It's just, I just picked the black colour. There's a lot of different colours on the website, but I thought black would just be the best for my work outfits and just travelling and keeping it nice and clean. It has a main flap here, which kind of just opens it into the actual bag space in there, which is kind of like a, feels like it'd be really easy to clean, like a material that's easy to wipe. It's got this pocket in front, which is handy for maybe like quick kind of access things. You could put bottles on the side here, and on the back it has this little strap that will be really good for putting on a suitcase handle. Yeah, the inside looks really spacious. It fits my laptop in there kind of lengthways, and it just kind of fits nicely, and you can still close it. And there's a lot of pockets in there. It's literally got pockets on pockets and different places to put different things, because it is kind of a bag designed for baby essentials. It does have, I guess, that organization, keeping mums in mind, but I honestly love that, and I think it will be really, really good for me. I love having pockets everywhere, and pretty happy with this. And yeah, I'm glad that I found a new backpack, because shoulder bags for work really hurt if you need to take your laptop to work every time you go to the office. So this will be a lot better for my back. Also, I thought I would show you the jewellery that I want to get polished. It's mainly this bracelet. It's supposed to be silver, but at the moment, as you can see, it's really, really dark and very tarnished. It was even darker than this, but I did a little bit of cleaning, but it's still just really, really dark. And I'm gonna see if they can kind of fix this for me. If not, at least to see what my options are. And then also, just a little bit tangled, but I've got my gold necklace that I pretty much wear every day. I love this one. It's a T-bar necklace, and this is pretty much my go-to everyday necklace. At one point I didn't take that off for a whole year. I generally change my earrings and rings around rather than my necklaces, but I'm trying to be a bit better about it, because I've got really nice necklaces and just want to be able to kind of mix and match sometimes. And I've also got this little heart locket necklace as well. This one is the pink one, and this one's pretty okay. It's just a little bit dark and needs a bit of a polish as well. So this one I'm not concerned about. I'm just not sure if they're going to be able to polish it or fix it, but we'll see how that goes. So I'm going to head off now, and I'll take you with me.